Welcome to Farmers Diary once again. My name is Femi. Please, this video is meant for those people that are coming to watch World Cup on the 11th of June 2026 in Mexico. I hope this video is not too late. Anyway, it's not too late. Today is just on the 4th of April 2026. So, you still have enough time to apply for your visa. And the reason why I'm here, I want to tell you how you can get your appointment scheduled as early as possible. And I also want to tell you all that documents you are going to be taking to the High Commission. So on this note, there are two captions on the comment section. One talks about those documents you are going to be needing to take to the embassies to procure your visa, while the second one actually talks about how you can schedule your appointment without contacting anyone. So therefore, I decided to do this video for you, and these captions I'm talking about is actually a video, and that video is not done by me. It was actually recorded directly from the Embassy of Mexico in Abuja. Yes, the two videos I'm talking about recorded directly from there. So you can just watch to the end, click the link below. I have two links there. Click the first one, and after the first one, click the second one. You will see that you don't need to even come to my DM to send any messages to me. But if you have a doubt, you have a suggestion, you have any message at all, just drop it on the comment section. I will read it. The admins will be responding to you anytime you send message to this comment section, so you don't have any problem. So I will strongly advise you, try as much as possible to just click on those links, follow it through. You don't even need anything again as far as I'm concerned, because I've watched it over and over how you can be able to do your appointment and those documents that you need to take to the embassy. And you can share this video, and I'll be uploading some videos that has to do with updates, at least when it is like a month, 2 weeks prior to your interview. So I'll be explaining some things to you, things that you need to understand before you get to the High Commission. That's why we employ you. Share it, subscribe, you can comment. When you subscribe, you are going to be having first-hand informations. So if you want to subscribe, it's for your own good. And very soon I will be uploading another video that has to do with how you can be able to fill your form, what are those things that you need to put right on your form. And I will also updating you at least when your appointment is probably 2 weeks or 3 weeks before your appointment, so we can be able to do some refreshed rehearsal. So we can do that. I can do that with you. I can do on video. We can do it one-on-one for you. So you can be able to have rest of mind that you are going there to have an assurance of being able to procure the visa in order for you to come and watch your World Cup. Once again, Mexico is amazing. Mexico is lovely. Just go for it. Subscribe, share, and this particular World Cup is going to be one of the major tournaments we have not been having for the past 39 years. It's going to be amazing. We expect you. Viva Mexico. Thank you. Bye-bye.